Femmes autochtones du Québec est une organisation qui vise beaucoup l'amélioration des conditions de vie de nos gens en général, mais aussi un mouvement qui a été né, qui a été créé grâce justement aux luttes que des femmes ont menées par rapport à la discrimination qu'elles vivaient sur la loi sur les Indiens. La loi sur les Indiens, c'est vraiment la seule loi raciale du Canada, qui divise justement les gens selon le critère de sang. Notre analyse juridique politique, Cynthia Smith, va vous expliquer les changements qui vont être apportés et l'impact que ça va avoir sur nous en général.
Registration for Indian status under the Indian Act was not equitable between men and women. The court called it sex-based discrimination. In August 2015, the Superior Court of Quebec rendered a judgment called the Descheneaux case. It is for the same reason that in 1985, Bill C-31 and in 2011, Bill C-3 were passed. With the Descheneaux case, the court has ordered that the government of Quebec settle all other discriminatory situations based on sex from the Indian Act registration. The government received the judgment from the court and in response to the decision developed a two-step process which the first phase must be completed by July 3, 2017. In the first step to amend the Indian Act, the government worked on a bill called Bill S-3. So there are three situations that are suggested in the Bill S-3 that would try to eliminate the sex-based inequalities in registration. The cousin situation, the brother and sister situation, and the emancipated child situation. So in simple terms, the cousin situation serves to allow cousins with the same maternal and paternal grandparents have the same status. In other words, the great-grandchildren of a grandmother who lost her status will now have the same status as their great-grandchildren of their grandmother's brother. The brother and sister situation serves to recognize the same status for the descendant of status father born out of wedlock between 1951 and 1985. The law gave them a different status, 6-2 for girls and 6-1 for boys, while they both had status fathers and non-status mothers. As a result of Bill S-3, the grandchildren from the same grandfather will now have the same status. Finally, the situation of the emancipated children seeks to regain status of a child born of a status mother who later married a non-status man between 1951 and 1985. Bill S-3 would give grandchildren of the maternal and paternal lineage the same status, as well as their great-grandchildren. The second phase aims to engage broader reflections on the Indian Act on issues such as unreported paternity, loss of status based on dates, Category 6-1 and 6-2, and issues of identity, culture, and Indigenous citizenship. It will be on a process of consultation between the Government of Canada and Indigenous peoples. At the time we're making this video, the information on who, how, when, and where we will be consulted is not yet available. But as soon as we know, we will get you informed. Don't worry, Quebec Native Women has set up a special file on Descheneaux S-3, which is available on its website, that we invite you to visit for more information on each specific case.
Femmes autochtones du Québec a mentionné à la Chambre des communes et au Sénat que le projet de loi S-3 ne mettrait pas fin à toutes les discriminations que vivent les femmes en vertu de la loi sur les Indiens. C'est pourquoi nous faisons appel à vous pour que vous nous partagiez avec nous vos situations de discrimination face à la loi. Vous avez jusqu'au 4 avril 2017, très bientôt, pour répondre au questionnaire sur le projet de loi S-3 afin que votre voix soit entendue. Il est de notre responsabilité à nous, femmes autochtones, de se tenir debout pour les 7 générations futures. Femmes autochtones du Québec vous remercie de votre implication et de votre participation. Tjeneshka maintenant.